Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up payroll deductions reconciliation for tax accuracy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant payroll documents for the current period. Compile employee wage records, tax withholdings, and any deductions made. Organize the data in a spreadsheet or suitable software for ease of access. Review each employee's payroll details to ensure accuracy in recorded hours and wages. Calculate the total gross pay for all employees for the period in question. Determine the total deductions for taxes, benefits, and other withholdings. Summarize the total amounts for federal, state, and local tax withholdings. Cross-reference these totals against payroll tax tables to verify accuracy. Identify any discrepancies between the total withholdings and the amount submitted to tax authorities. Adjust any errors found in the payroll records before final reconciliation. Prepare a detailed report reflecting total gross pay, deductions, and net pay per employee. Document any adjustments made, providing clear descriptions for future reference. Reconcile the total deductions with the amounts remitted to tax agencies. Ensure that all reports align with tax forms, such as W-2s, for year-end accuracy. Conduct a final review of the payroll deductions reconciliation for completeness. Store all documents securely for potential audits or future reference. Communicate any discrepancies found during the reconciliation process with the necessary parties. Maintain a timeline or schedule for regular reconciliation to avoid issues in future payroll cycles. Implement a checklist to streamline the process for upcoming periods. Educate payroll staff on the importance of regular and accurate reconciliation practices. Encourage consistent review and updates of payroll policies to align with tax laws. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.